Hello, my name is Frank Nardone. This is my Google project for INF499, and my presentation is on Google Glass. So what is Google Glass? Project Glass, also known as Google Glass, was a project first announced in April 2012 by Babak Parviz. Google Glass is an optical head-mounted display that is designed in the shape of a pair of eyeglasses. Google Glass uses augmented reality to display information in a smartphone-like format, hands-free, right in front of the user's eyes. So essentially what Google Glass is, it's a pair of eyeglasses that is used to display information from your smartphone. It allows you to use features from your smartphone and other features right in front of you, hands-free. So Google Glass was founded and developed at X, which was previously known as Google X. So X is a semi-secret research and development facility founded by Google. X it works as a sandbox for Google founders and their crazy scientists that allow them to transform whatever crazy ideas they could think of into a reality. So some of the cool ideas that X is currently working on is Waymo, the self-driving car that Google's creating, Loon, which is the project to bring internet access to the world through a network of balloons in the atmosphere that works as a giant Wi-Fi device, and Google Wing, which is Google's way of delivering products using flying vehicles and drones such as Amazon Prime Air. So how do they work? Users communicate with Google Glass via voice commands and through a touchpad on the side of the device. They also have motion detection. Glass must be connected to the mobile phone to work. They use a lot of the mobile phone's features. We'll get into that later. And the glasses communicate through the mobile phone through Wi-Fi. So the glasses give off a Wi-Fi, and the phone will connect to that Wi-Fi so they can communicate through the Wi-Fi. So here's some hardware specs for the glass. Android 4.0.4 or higher operating system, 640 by 360 resolution, 5 megapixel camera, 720 HT video, 16 gigabyte storage, 1.2 gigahertz dual processor, and 682 megabytes of RAM. Some of the technologies use wearable computing, smart clothing, and augmented reality. So what can these glasses do? So they essentially work as a mobile phone. They have a lot of the same features. Take video, take pictures. They can get directions. So if you're walking down the street, it'll display it right in front of your eyes. You can send messages, call someone. Other features are voice commands, maps, live video chat. There's 4G technology, Bluetooth capabilities, internet searching. It'll allow you to, someone's talking in a different language, you can translate it and tell you right in front of you, and much more. So the display is placed right in front of the user's eyes so that it looks like it's in front of the user, not directly, like if you put a phone up to your eye. It uses a prism. It shoots the video through a prism, so it, like I said, it looks like it's farther away from you, not directly in front of you. And you can access this information hands-free. The camera, like I said, features a 5 megapixel camera, and so it allows you to take pictures or video of exactly what you see right in front of you. There's a speaker that can be used to make and receive calls right by the user's ear. There's also a port for earphones if you don't want it to be broadcasted out loud. And Google has some cool technology called the bone conductor, which feeds the audio directly in your brain by vibrating your skull. They have a microphone to allows you to make and receive calls and give voice commands. They have multiple buttons on them: the power button, turn the device on and off, and a camera button to take a picture, hold it down for a video. There's a touchpad which features a long area that allows you to swipe back and forth. You can do a lot of stuff with it. You can touch it to turn the display on, swipe to move through different application items, documents. You can zoom in and out like on any touch device, and this is located on the right side of the glasses. Like I said, it has movement detection, which allows the user to turn the display on and off by moving their head up and down. Some of the advantages of the Google Glass: there's privacy for the user. It's a hands-free device. It's convenient. It's right on your face. Compact, easy to wear and easy to use. Right on you. Responsive to the outside world. Fast access to maps, documents, videos, chats, and more. Allows you to multitask. Has voice detection. Could be a new fashion trend. Useful technology for the handicapped and disabled. So say someone is not able to use a mobile phone because they're disabled, they could use the Google Glass through voice commands, and it's right in front of their eyes. Some of the disadvantages: it's very fragile, can be easily broken. The distraction, so if you're driving, you have the maps out, you can be looking at that, could cause accidents, people could walk into intersections while using it. The privacy issues we'll get into. They're very expensive. They're $1,500 in the US. Some would say they're ugly. I'd agree with them. Makes people antisocial, just like the way society's moving, and they had a very low battery. So the privacy and ethical issues were a major problem with them. So people could record anything they want without anyone knowing, which is a major ethical issue. No, people did not like that. A lot of problems. There were problems in casinos where people could take videos. You're not allowed to take videos in casinos. You could cheat. At movies, people would take videos of movies, which is also illegal. You could recognize people's faces, which people didn't like. Cheating on tests and changing people's appearances could be a problem in the future. It's also just rude to be looking at it while talking to someone. And the downfall of the Google Glass, like I said, what I talked about before were some major downfalls, but there was little progress after the release. They didn't update it much. I mean, with any product, there has to be a demand, and there really wasn't a demand for these right now, which was another major problem. Like I said before, too expensive, and they were quite awkward and unattractive, like I said before. This is my works cited, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.